Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix can't add or edit environment variable path in Windows 11, 10. Click Start, Settings, click About, click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Click Edit Path under System Variables. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.